Sup, peeps? In the truck today, and as you can see, it's a 2030 Freightliner. And my uncle, he gotta leave out Thursday. I can't go because I got a doctor's appointment and other reasons. And it has been washed. Truck has been fully washed. The trailer, nah. The tractor, yeah. Everything's just the same on the tractor, but it's different from my other uncle's because he has a Volvo. This uncle doesn't. A Freightliner. There's the company. You can see the truck. Nothing special, not classy, not. It is classy inside, but it's not. It's a good truck, man. It's a double bump. Double bump is the best. Which he starts trucking by himself when I'll be able to come with him. He's gonna get the truck windows tinted, put a TV, refrigerator, all that good stuff. Yeah, having a good truck. It was washed pretty good. I can't show you up top, but I can't show you the beds and stuff because I'm inside the truck. Right now, the person that he's teaching is a girl, and she sleeps on bottom. He sleeps up top. So I'm on his bunk, and he has them put his sheet down on her bunk so he can lay down. We're getting loaded. We're getting unloaded right now. So him and that girl could go out Thursday. We gotta go somewhere, pick up somewhere in Conover and pick up the load. And then he'll be leaving out Thursday. Yup, guys, that's gonna be about it. He leaves out Thursday. We chit chat on the phone. Chat on the phone, all that other stuff. And that's gonna be the end of the video. Peace.